lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today we will be making this taco dinner kit from Taco Bell. We will be preparing it together, so I'm very excited. And yeah, there are the directions, the ingredients we will be required for the preparation of this dish. And yep, there are the nutrition facts like the calories, fats, and everything. If you're health conscious, you can check it, which I'm not at all. So let's move on. So inside the packet, the first thing that comes out is this 12-piece crunchy tacos. We have to bake it in the oven before serving it. And yeah, even if you don't want to bake it, it's okay. Next, we have these taco seasonings, and we have to mix it with the brown meat while cooking. Here are the directions, and it got 15 calories, and this is the mild sauce. So here is the meat. I have already started preparing the meat with some basils and little bit of spices. I'm gonna use this one in the meat soon. And the mild sauce, I'm gonna skip it. It makes the beef little spicy, which I cannot tolerate at all, so I'm gonna skip the mild sauce, and it doesn't give me the flavor. So yeah, this is the meat. I have added some bell peppers, some jalapenos, chili flakes, and other regular spices that we need to cook beef. And now I'm gonna add the seasoning mix. I'm gonna add a little bit, half of it, not full, because it makes it really spicy. And then I have chopped some vegetables like carrot, tomatoes, and I have mixed it with mayonnaise and different kinds of sauce. I have filled the taco shells with ground meat, and I'm not adding the salad because not everybody likes salad, and salad also makes it soggy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and see you on next Thursday. Bye bye.